How to fix and reset the electric parking brake problem without a scanner. If your car shows electric parking brake problem, don't worry. This is usually caused by low battery power or the brake motor not releasing correctly. First, turn the car off completely. Wait about 10 seconds. Then start the car again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. If the engine sounds weak when starting, or the dashboard lights look dim, your battery may be low. Charge the battery, or replace it if it's old. The electric parking brake needs strong and stable power to work properly. Now, let's recalibrate the parking brake. With the car on, pull and hold the parking brake switch up for 5 seconds. Then push and hold it down for 5 seconds. Repeat this one more time. This helps the system relearn the lock and release positions. Listen near the rear wheels. If you hear the motor moving, that means the system is adjusting correctly. If you hear nothing, the motor or wiring may be stuck. If your car hasn't moved in a while, the brakes can stick from rust. Drive slowly in a safe area, and gently press the brakes a few times. This can help free the mechanism. After that, turn the car off again. Wait a few seconds, and restart. If the problem was just low power or a temporary glitch, the warning should clear by itself. If the message stays on, the parking brake motor or wiring may need to be checked. But in many cases, this simple reset is all you need. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more easy car repair tips. Comment your car's make, model, and year, and I'll help you with the exact fix. Drive safe. See you in the next video.